Need a quick melee weapon? Here's how to craft a short sword in LEGO Fortnite. First, build a crafting bench. You will need 6 wood. Collect those from trees nearby. Chop trees with your axe to gather the materials fast. Now with the bench, this unlocks weapon crafting. You will need 5 granite slabs and 2 wooden rods to craft your uncommon sword. Craft granite slabs from a stone breaker. It's simply 1 granite per slab. Wooden rods you can craft at the lumber mill for 1 wood per rod. Once you have all the materials, open the crafting bench menu and select the short sword. Put in all your necessary ingredients and click craft. And there you have it. Fast, light, and great for close fights, your short sword is ready. So quick recap, build the bench, gather the right materials, and craft your weapon. And that's it. Now you're ready to defend your LEGO world like a pro. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next guide.